Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, chief guest, parents and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of nation. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. First of all, we should pay tribute to the freedom fighters who had put everything at stake to make this country free. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. On this occasion, we all remember their sacrifices and thank them. After independence, we got our all fundamental rights in our own nation. So let us join our hands to make India the best country in the world. Let's make promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone and educating ourselves. I am very proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಅನು ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.